Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll cover chapter 3, topic is give and take part 8 from class 3rd maths NCERT book. You can also watch the starting chapter and part 1 to 7 of this topic using the links given in the description. So let's start with our video. So here is very interesting exercise. Let me read what we have to do in this exercise. Here it is written, find Mithu's bag and check your answers. Draw a line through the numbers which are answers written in the boxes above. Here is the Mithu's bag. We have to start from this top, and after solving this each and every problem you will get a path starting from here, and it will give you path to reach to this bag or Mithu's bag. So to reach the Mithu's bag we have to solve each and every question. So let's start solving these questions. So if you see, this is 75 and plus 20. So if you add 20 to 75, how much will get? So this is 20, it is easy to add 20 and 75. And if you remember the table where we have kept 10 numbers in each row, those who have seen my previous video, so number was given in this way, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Again, in next row we can start from 11, then 12, then 13, then 14, then 15. So this way. So in each row 10 numbers were entered. So this number was going till 20, then again starting from 21 till 30, starting again from 31 till 40. So that's how this entire table was shown in the previous video, and we have kept 100 numbers till 100. So if you check here, we have 75 and we want to add 20 to 75, and if you added 10, if you add 10 to 5 you get 15. In 15 if you add 10 you get 25. If you add 10 more to 25 you get 35. So similarly if you add 20 to 75, so how this column will look like? So there will be 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95, something like this. So if you add 20, if you add 10 in 75 we get 85. If you add 10 more, it means you add 20 we reach to 95. So after adding 75 and 20 will give you 95. So we got this answer. Again in 90 and 60 if you want to add, so let's see here, 90 plus 60. So 0 plus 0 is it's like 0, 9 plus 6. After 9 you can count. So I kept 6 lines here. So after 9 if you count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we got 15. In total we got 150. So we can write 150 here. Here we have 3 numbers. So in 25 first we'll add 30. Again if in 25 if you add 30, then we'll keep moving 10 steps upside. Okay, so I'm just writing the numbers from each column. So from 25 if you add 10 we'll reach to 35, then 45, then 55. So 10, 20 and 30. If you add 30 to 25 we reach to 55. After adding these two numbers we get 55, and after 55 if you add 3 more to 55 you get 56, 57, 58. Total answer will be 58. So first we'll solve all the questions, then we'll draw a line which will give you path to this bag. Next question is 9 plus 40 plus 31. So 9 plus 40 will give you 49, because this is 40 and 9, it will give you 49. And in 49 if you add 31, so let's add this one, 49 plus 31. Again we have seen in previous videos how to add 49 and 31. Let me erase this is not required. So this 31 we can split as 30 plus 1. This 49 will keep as it is. So if you add 49 and 1 we get 50, and this 30 you can add later, right? So if we will add 50 and 30, it will give us 80. Adding 50 and 30 will give us 80. So here 80 will be our answer. So this 80 is our answer. Next example, 500 and 200. This is straightforward. So 500 plus 100 will give us 600, and again 100, it will give us 700. So 5, or you can also add these two, like 5 and 2 is 7. So 500 plus 200 is 700. So this is answer for 700. 400 plus 350. Again you can write it as a addition problem, 400 and 350, and if you add these two numbers, we'll get 0, 0 and plus 5 will give you 5, 4 plus 3 will give you 7. So answer to this question is 750. Next question, 670 and 120. We'll add these two numbers again, 670 and 120. So 0 and 0 will give you 0, 7 plus 2, it is 9, 6 and 1, 7. So this is 790. This time 380 and 210. I'll take another color. So we'll try to add these 380 and 210. So this is 380 and here is 210. This is 0. Well, let me write it again. It is confusing. This is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 and 2 is 5. We get 590. So answer to this question is 590. Next question is 205 and 650. So let's add these two numbers together. 205, 650. You can write like this. So 5 plus 0 will give you 5. Again 5 plus 0 will give you 5. 6 and 2 will give you 8. So this is 855. Next number, 128 plus 600. If you add these two numbers together, 8 plus 0 is 8, 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 1 is 7. And you can observe in previous example also, if you are adding 8 plus 0, you are getting 8. So any number, if you add 0, you will get that number itself, right? Because 0 is nothing, so if you add nothing to any number, you will get the same number. So that's what we are doing here. So answer to this question is 728. 150 plus 69. So this is 150 and then 69. 9 plus 0 will give you 9. 6 and 5 will give you 11. So from 11 we'll take this one and we'll write here. This one will move as a carryover to next number. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So answer to this question is 219. You get 219. Here we can add these two numbers together because it is easy, and if you add these 3 to 37 you get 40. So after 37 if you count 3, 38, 39 and 40. So after adding these two numbers we get 40, and if you add 46 to 40, it is easy to add 46 and 40. How? See, 40 and 46, if you write like this, 6 and 0 will give you 6, 4 and 4 is 8. So you get 86 as answer. Now if you start with 95, we'll start with this number. Next number is 150. So we'll trace the path, 150. Then we got 58. We are going to this side, 58. Then here is 80. We'll move to left, 80. Then we get 700. We can trace this path here, 700. Then 750. So we'll move to this 750. Next number is 790. So we'll keep moving to right side, 790. Then we got 590. 590 is above side. So we'll trace this. Next number is 855. We can trace like this. Next number is 728. So here is 728. So we need to trace below, downside. Then we have 219. We'll keep moving downside, 219. Finally we get 86. This way we are able to find out the Mithu's bag. And this is the route we need to take in order to find Mithu bag. I am just retracing again. So this was the very interesting exercise. Here we have seen a lot of addition problems. I kept all these additions as a addition problem, like in this form, because it is easy to add if you write problem in this way. But you can still practice how to add these two numbers, like numbers with tens, 20s, 30s, 60s, 40s, or number in hundreds. You need to observe it carefully. It is very easy to add these two numbers, like 500 and 200 was giving us 700. So more you practice, you get more familiar how to add these numbers in tens or hundreds. And if you practice a lot, then you will also easily able to add these small numbers and this bigger numbers, like this 37, 3. This should be easy to add, but it will come with practice. So you can try it on the paper and see if your answers are matching with our answers, and try to trace this path in your rough notebook. Let's move to the next exercise. Here we'll see card game. One day Bubbly and Gopu were playing. Bubbly gave 3 number cards to Gopu. He arranged the card in 2 ways. So let's see. So this is Gopu and this is Bubbly. And these are the number cards. 150, 120 and 30. These images are picked from NCERT site, and some of the images were also picked from Pixel site. So thanks to those sites. So credit goes to these sites for these images, wonderful images. So let's see how to see these cards. So he arranged this card in this way. You need to observe it carefully, because here there is a sign, minus sign between these two numbers. So basically we have 3 cards. First card is 150, second card is 120, and third card is 30. Because here written at the top, Bubbly gave 3 number cards to Gopu. So these are the 3 cards. Okay, and he arranged these 3 cards with some plus or minus sign in between, and equal sign is there also. So if you solve these questions, it should give correct answer. So we have to arrange these numbers with some addition or subtraction sign and equal to sign, which give us correct answer as well. If you write like 120 minus 150 equal to 30, this is wrong. This is not a correct way. We have to arrange these numbers in such a way so that it gives us correct answer along with the sign which has been put in between. So let's try these cards. This is another way of arranging these numbers. If you subtract 30 from 150, we get 120. We used this negative sign here and equal to sign here. And how you can subtract 30 from 150? It is simple. If you see this is 50 and you subtract 30, then you will move to downside. If you subtract 10 from 50, we get 40. 20 is subtracted, then we get 30, and if you subtract 30, then we will get 20. And this is number in hundreds. So similarly, it will work for number in hundreds. So from 150, we'll move to 140, then 130, and then 120. That way we keep moving down. So after subtracting 30, we get 120. So this is the one way to arrange the card. Can you arrange this card other than these 2 ways? Now you can try and see what can be the other way to arrange these cards. Just try it on your own. Anyhow, I'm going to reveal the answers. You can match if you are able to arrange in correct order. So let's see. This is the one example. If you arrange 120 plus 30, here we have used plus sign, and you know these two numbers are smaller than 150. So if you add these together, 120 plus 30, it will give us 150. So we need to ensure if you add these two numbers, we should get this answer. Then only your arrangement will be correct. So let's see. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 is as it is. So we got 150. So this arrangement is correct. Let's see another arrangement. See if you add these two numbers. So either you write 30 plus 120, we get 150. If you write this way, we get 150. Or if you write in this way, then also we'll get 150. It means these two numbers can be written one after other with plus sign. It will give you same answer. Okay, if I take a very small example, if you keep like 2 plus 3, it will give us 5, or 3 plus 2 will also give us 5. So what we did, we changed the order of these two numbers. Here we wrote 3 before 2 and 2 came later after this plus sign, and we got 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. So this is same, but with negative sign it doesn't work. 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 2 is not same. It is wrong to write like this. It works perfectly for addition problems. So this is the another way, and this is the another way to arrange these numbers in with the plus sign. Now we'll see few more examples. You can also play it. Here are the cards for you. Work out the combination, place the card in right boxes. Now we'll see few cards, and you can arrange these cards using plus and minus sign and see if you are able to arrange these cards. So I'll give you first example. So if you arrange these cards in this order, 50, 20 and 70, you can see these two numbers are smaller than 70. So if you add these two numbers, we get 70. 50 plus 20 will give us 70. This is one way. Another way is, as you know, in previous slide we have seen 20 plus 50 or 50 plus 20 will give us same answer, right? So here we just interchange the position of 50 and 20. So 20 comes here, 50 here, and if you add these two numbers, we'll get 70. And another way of arranging these cards with negative sign or after subtraction, we can also get the same kind of answers. So here if you subtract 70 and 20, you get 50. Why? This is bigger number, this is 20, and if you subtract 20 from 70, it means this is 70, and we have to subtract 20. It means we will move 2 rows down, 1 and 2. So if you subtract 10, we'll reach to 60. If you subtract 20, we reach to 50. So that's how we got 50. Similarly, 70 minus 50 will give you 20. If you look at this, this is 70, and if you subtract 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it will give us 20. So that's how we can arrange these cards in this order. Another example, here are these 3 cards. Here we have 30, 42 and 12. So what we did, this is the first way, 30 plus 12 will give us 42. So this is one way of arrangement. Second way, we just interchange the position of 12 and 30. We got 12 plus 30. Above was 30 plus 12. This number remain as it is. It will give us 42. Another arrangement can be with subtraction sign. So here we will subtract these two numbers. So if you subtract these two numbers, we can write like this. 42, if you subtract 12, we get 30. We'll see here we have 42, and what we have to subtract, we want to subtract 12. So 12 means if you subtract 10, you get 32, and if you subtract 2 more, it means we'll move left side. So 1, and if you subtract 1 more, we'll reach to 30. So that's how we get 30. Again, 42 minus 30 will give us 12. We'll see this thing also in above table. So 42, we want to subtract 30. 10, 20, 30. We got 12. That's how you can solve these questions. So here we end this video, and with this video we are done with chapter 3. Hope you have now more understanding of solving the addition problem. And in chapter 3, we have learned addition of numbers without and with carry, word problems. We also understand that knowing addition and subtraction can make life easier. While playing games, we can apply these concepts, and it can make game even more interesting. In most of the game, player have to score more points which decide winner. So continue practice more and keep learning. The videos are available in the playlist. You can always go back and check the playlist, check out the videos if any topic is not clear. And please do share these links with your friend. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye everyone, take care and stay safe. Thank you.